beautiful people. It's Ashley here from Elemental Growth. I was getting a lot of questions about hand sanitizer DIYs and wet wipe DIYs, things like that. Disinfectant wipes, all these things. You guys are really worried about germs, and I don't blame you. This is a crazy time. People are in panic. Store shelves are emptying faster than they're getting stocked. It's really easy to just fall into fear. It is like natural patterns that we're born into, right? It's called survivor mode. But I really want to inspire you guys to really thrive in this time. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving and allowing your body to thrive, allow your mindset to thrive, allow the good bacteria army that's in and on your body to thrive. And the way you're gonna do that is not by killing all of these germs, it's by nurturing what's already there and what's already working for you. And you can do that through some fermented foods, if you can create some. Buy the whole vegetables. You know, those are staying in stock. People are buying up the chips, the cereals, the toilet paper, but there's still a lot of produce available. And if you can start making some of your own fermented foods, or buy some that are already made and really including them, that's really going to help build up your immune system. Some other things would be like the G bombs, which are the greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. Those are the G bombs. So if you can load up on those, that's going to be really helpful. Some natural antibiotics too, like as I said, onions is a good one, but there's also garlic is great, ginger is great. Those kind of things are really going to help build up your immune system, help what's already there and working. And don't worry, once I get through this rant, I'm going to give you my disinfectant wipe recipe, but until then, just keep up with me here, guys, because it's very important stuff. So yeah, you're going to want to nurture what's working, that good bacteria that's in and on your body. When Finn was in diapers, I was making these wet wipes. What I would do is cut a roll of paper towel in half, take out the rolly part that's in the middle, and I would put that into I had one of those wet wipe warmers that I would put them in, and then I'd pour the solution. But you can just do that in like a regular container, whatever size container. If they don't fit or don't work, rip them up. I've done that before. You know, it seems like it's a lot of time, but who cares? You and your family can work together. Have it be like a family thing that you do, is make this stuff if it's something that's really important and that you're drawn to. The way that I made mine at the time was using witch hazel instead of the alcohols, because the alcohols can be really tough on your skin. Plus it's killing off that good bacteria, leaving you vulnerable, so that if the bad bacteria gets on there, that can spread faster if you don't have an army of good bacteria. So while I will share the alcohol version, this is what I have done in my own life as a disinfectant, is using the witch hazel. Then you can add in about how much would it be? I guess 1 cup of witch hazel. You can also use peroxide. You can also use alcohol. You can also use vodka. So it would be about 1 cup of that solution with about a tablespoon of castile soap or dish soap, if that's all you have. And then 2 cups of warm water. It can be distilled water. It can be boiled. I mean, don't use it hot, because that'll tear apart your paper towels. That being said, you can go really eco-friendly and just use cloths. I've done that before too, and that works very, very well. So yeah, those are like kind of your options. The equation though is 2 cups water, 1 cup of whatever your disinfectant is, and then you would use about a tablespoon of castile soap, dish soap, or whatever you like, and then 10-15 drops of essential oils. I'd recommend an essential oil that's really calming, because this is a really panicky time for a lot of people. So if you can have something that's calming, like lavender or chamomile, add those kind of things in. That will help. You can also use rosemary to just revitalize you. Another good one would be like frankincense. There are tons. A lemon to wake you up. I don't know, maybe you're not going out for your morning coffee, right? Add lemon essential oil or something that's citrusy, and that will help lift you back up. Anyways, this video has already gone longer than I had anticipated. I did make another one about hand sanitizer, so make sure you guys fall back and check that out as well. As always, if you have any questions, you can email me, Ashley@elementalgrowth.org. I love you so much. Bye.